Hi friends, thank you all so much for stopping by today, and welcome if you are new here to my channel. My name is Alyssa, and today I'm going to be flipping through this Easter themed junk journal. And I do have a video of me just creating the cover here, so if you missed that, I will link it down below. But I really didn't do much to the cover here except add a little white pom-pom for the bunny tail. And then I wasn't sure what to do in this space. So maybe you guys can suggest some things. Would you leave it like this? Or what would you add up here? Or what would you add in general to the cover? Let me know in the comments. But this is how mine came out. And there's my spine. I just have two signatures. And that's the back. And I just absolutely love the little vellum bunny window. So let's go ahead and flip through this. And there's my little pipe cleaner bunny outline on the inside too. I love how that came out. So here's my first page. I just have a double pocket here, which is actually a leftover piece from a yellow file folder. So I have a cute little sticker here. Spring is in the air. And then this is just a little card that says Happy Easter Day. This here is just a little tag. And then in the very back, I just have this little page here that you could journal on. And I did add this sticker to the corner as well. So all of the stickers that I'm using in this journal, I purchased from Temu last year. So that's where all my stickers came from, at least. And over here, I have another sticker just holding down this lined paper for some writing space. I left this coffee dyed paper here for more writing space as well, or you could even put a photo there. Same idea on the back. More journaling space here. And then I added just this little ribbon on the side from the Dollar Tree, actually, just for a little extra decoration. And then over here is just a vellum pocket. So I don't know if you can even see, but there's a little sticker on there that says, "Remember the now." And so I just have this card in here that says Happy Easter with some coffee dyed paper. Over here is just a side pocket. And this is a little vellum sheet, also from Temu from last year. And I just have a larger journaling card and some extra writing paper that is coffee dyed. More coffee dyed paper here. How cute is this little bunny? And I put "Some Bunny Loves You" right in the corner. This was actually a paper placemat. I also purchased this last year from the Christmas tree shop, which is no longer in business, sadly. And on this side, I have some carrot trim. This is from the Dollar Tree from last year. They might have it this year. I don't really know. I haven't been to Dollar Tree in a while, but I have some more coffee dyed paper and a bunny sticker. This here is actually packing paper, and I put another little sticker up there. How cute is that? And then this is the yellow file folder. So I just drew my own lines here for some writing space, but you could even write a title or something on the tab there. You could put a photo over on this side, but I just put Happy Easter down below. And this is actually some trim from the Dollar Tree last year as well. And over on this page, I have another little vellum sheet there. These are just some Easter eggs, and this was another placemat as well. But I thought it was really cute, maybe for a photo. And then you can see I have some yellow pom-pom trim over on this side. And this is just some paper from Temu as well, but it has like little leaves and things inside of it. So I thought that was really cute for spring or Easter. And I just washi taped that down to this page. And I love this quote here. I'll have my peeps call your peeps. I think that's so cute. And this was just an extra scrap, so you could journal on here as well. But this whole page is a pocket. So I just stuck a leftover scrap in there, and I thought it would be a great photo mat. So I kind of just left it blank. It is double-sided too. So I try to just use up the same papers throughout this journal, and whatever scraps I had left over, I try to use as different ephemera pieces throughout the journal as well. And there are the Easter eggs again, more journaling space. I've got a pocket over here. So I just created this little tag with a sticker, and I just stapled some of this extra trim that I had left over. And this is just a coffee dyed scrap. Over here, I washi taped this lined paper so you could journal all on there. And this is some trim from the Dollar Tree with these cute little pink bunnies. And here's some more of that packing paper. I love the texture and the sound it makes. And some more of that Dollar Tree ribbon there. Here is part of the paper placemat again. And I just glued this little sheet down here. Maybe you want to put a photo up top or a little flat souvenir. And this is the other part of the placemat as well. It says Happy Easter. Some more coffee dyed paper. This keeps falling out, but it flips out over here. This is supposed to be a little tuck spot, so I made this little ticket, I guess, that says Happy Easter, just with my scraps. And in this pocket here, I just have another journaling card with a fun little sticker at the top. Over here, I just have a Happy Easter sticker, and I thought it went nicely on this page with all the purples. So you could put a photo there or something like that. Journal on this page, whatever you want to do. More writing space, more coffee dyed paper. And again, I thought a photo would go nicely here, so I've just glued down some lined paper so you could journal about it. There is some white pom-pom trim over here. And then I just have another double pocket over on this side. So this is just some more coffee dyed paper. And then this little bunny is from the Dollar Tree from last year as well. And it's like felt on the back, but it's so pretty and cute. And moving on to the second signature here, I have a little Happy Easter sticker and some writing space. I've got a pocket here, so I paper clipped another little vellum sheet onto the pocket. And then I have a journaling card, some extra scraps here. And this paper is really cool because it has these little flower and leaf imprints in them. It's almost like embossed, but I don't know. I just happen to have a few of these sheets in one of my Dollar Tree scrap paper packs. So I thought that was cute for spring and Easter. And some more coffee dyed paper that flips out like so. Some more of that paper placemat. And over on this side, I have some more journaling space. That part flips down as well. And this flips up too. So you could put something underneath. Here is another yellow file folder. And I just put a sticker here in the corner. I've got a tuck spot and a pocket here. So there's another purple bunny from the Dollar Tree. And then I have just a few extra little scraps here, this little Easter tag, and that's actually a tuck spot. So you could even tuck this underneath and do some journaling there, or keep them separate. And some more of that bunny trim or ribbon. This is a side pocket here. So I have some more scraps. I thought this would be a great photo mat. This is just some ledger paper. And over here, I have a small little double pocket. So I have another vellum sheet tucked into that spot. And then behind it is a tuck spot. So there's another cute little sticker and then just a coffee dyed guest check there. More packing paper, journaling space, paper placemat, and I put hopping down the bunny trail as a little caption down there. So maybe you want to put a photo in this spot. And over here, I have just a coffee dyed envelope with another cute little sticker. So inside, I have this Happy Easter journaling card. And this is actually a greeting card, but I just cut off the other part of it. So now it's just a journaling card. More coffee dyed paper. And I have another double pocket here. So I've got a sticker, a journaling card that says "So happy together." And then this is just an extra little scrap that I had, but it could be turned into a photo mat, journaling card, or tag. And I have this cute little chick trim down below here, which is from the Dollar Tree as well. So lots of space to journal. I have a Happy Easter labeled there. This is another vellum pocket. So I've got a journaling card and a tag. I have the ribbon here on this side of the packing paper. And here's some more of that paper from Temu with the little leaves inside. And I added this cute little bunny sticker as well. And some more coffee dyed paper over here and here. On this page, I just paper clipped another vellum sheet here, but it would be really cute on this tag. And this tag you can open up like that to journal on the inside. And on this side, I have a little Easter egg sticker and this beautiful embossed paper. This was another paper in a Dollar Tree scrap pack, so I thought that was really cute for spring. And over here, I have some more coffee dyed paper and yellow pom-pom trim. And there's my cute little sticker up there. There's that cute little bunny again. And I have two pockets on this page. So I've got another blue bunny there from the Dollar Tree, a little journaling card here. And this is also a journaling card, or you could put a photo on it, but I just love this little bunny sticker there that says hello. And it's actually a tuck spot too, so you could put something on top or underneath the bunny at least. And here's the last page with that same paper. And I put this beautiful sticker here. I love this sticker. It's the shape of an Easter egg, but it has this beautiful scenery pictured on it. So I thought that was really pretty. And I didn't do anything to this side quite yet. So that's everything, at least for what I did to this Easter journal so far. So thank you guys so much for watching the flip through, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Happy crafting and huge hugs!